Kenworth TruckTech Plus is remote diagnostics and service management in an integrated system, all designed for maximum fleet uptime. TruckTech Plus Remote Diagnostics comes standard with every Class 8 Kenworth. In the event that a dash lamp is triggered, TruckTech Plus immediately sends notification to the Fleet Operations Manager and designated Kenworth dealer. The Fleet Operations Manager receives necessary information to determine a course of action, continue driving, or schedule prompt service at a Kenworth dealer. In turn, the designated Kenworth dealer receives truck operating metrics to diagnose, create a service quote, and to help expedite service. Immediate and clear recommended actions are also sent to the operator through the Driver Performance Center in their Kenworth.
Hey Brett, this is Chris at Fleet Operations. Looks like you have a check engine light on.
Yeah, I see it. It just came on.
Head over to the Kenworth dealership. Take exit 56 onto 83rd Avenue. They'll be expecting you.
Okay, I'll head there now.
Okay, bye.
TruckTech Plus Service Management provides your Fleet Operations Manager with intelligent data to identify and expedite service events. Upon receiving a Kenworth dealer service quote, your Fleet Manager seamlessly reviews and approves, communicates, and tracks service. Available throughout the Kenworth Premier Care Service Network, TruckTech Plus allows you to manage scheduled and unscheduled service events in real time on any service in the PACCAR Solutions portal. Schedule and monitor repair work and stay organized with all of the time-stamped repair notes, emails, and electronic approvals that are contained within the portal for each service event. Fleet history, including build, service history, warranty, and product updates are also included. Real-time status reports help you streamline decision-making for every truck in your fleet undergoing maintenance, regardless of location. Once work is completed, notification is sent to your fleet manager, improving uptime of your fleet. Running your business just became a whole lot easier, more productive, more efficient, and more profitable with Kenworth TruckTech Plus Remote Diagnostics and TruckTech Plus Service Management. Kenworth, the world's best.